are wheels important? This is our unit's title, Unit 5. Today we are gonna talk about wheels. In fact, wheels are so important. Why? Because if we don't have wheels, there is no cars, there is no trains, there is no planes, there is no technology. So wheels are the most important in the technology. No wheels, no technology. So now we're gonna take our first lesson for vocabulary. The first one, transportation. Transportation means moving something from one place to another by vehicles. Vehicles like cars, like trains, like planes, like ships, like bicycles, they are called vehicles. So here, when we move something from one place to another place by a vehicle, this is called transportation. This is called transportation. After that, axle. So axle, as you see here in this picture, is a bar that connects a pair. A pair means two. When we are talking about two, we say pair. So here, a bar that connects a pair of wheels on a vehicle. This bar is made of metal and it's straight. As you see here, it's surrounded and it's straight. And as you see here in this picture, and it connects a wheel with another wheel to make the bicycle move. After that, gear. Gear is a round tool that goes round and round to make a machine work, to make a watch work. So how can your watch work? This is a gear. There are some gears inside it that go round and round to make it work. After that, rim. Rim is the outside metal edge of a wheel. It's called rim. After rim, wheels. Wheels, one of the round things under a car and turns when it moves. It's called wheels. After that, transfer. Transfer means to move something from one place to another. It's called transfer. After transfer, haul. Haul means to pull or drag something with a great effort, because it may be heavy. So drag means you pull something because it may be heavy, so you do great effort. So haul means pull, means drag. After that, rotate. Rotate means to turn something in circles around a central point. Around the center point means it's fixed in a place and you rotate. So is in a central point, so it's here. So I didn't move it, it's here in a central point, fixed, and I rotate it to this part and then rotate it to this part. This means rotate in a central point. After that, traction. Traction, we can say that it's balance or control. So here, if you can walk like this guy and you can keep your balance, this means you can keep your traction so you don't fall down. So traction means balance or control. For example, our car lost traction when we drove on the ice. This means we skidded. We went left and right because we lost our balance. We lost our traction. After traction, grind. Grind means to crush something into very small pieces or into powder. This means grind. So if you want to make coffee, you can grind the seeds of coffee into small or powder. This means grind, as you see in the picture. After grind, technology. Technology, in fact, may be a science of machinery. Science of machinery is the study of machines. Machines, everything that can move by a wheel, it's called machine. Or everything that has a gear inside it, like this watch, it's called machine. And if we want to study machines, it's called the science of machinery, and it's called technology. So we can say that this scientific knowledge means information, new things we know by studying. This means knowledge or information. Knowledge or information are new things we study. So the scientific knowledge or equipment or the science of machinery, this means technology. After technology, road. So rod is a thin, straight piece of wood or piece of metal. It's called rod. After rod, logs. So logs are thick, round piece of tree, as you see in this picture. After that, rely on. Rely on means if you can't do something alone, or if you can't do it, you can ask a friend of you, or you can ask your father or brother to help you to do it, or to do it for you. This means you rely on your brother, you rely on your friend, you rely on your father in something. So to depend on means it rely on. Depend on means rely on. So to depend on someone or something to do what you need. This means you can't do it alone. After that, vehicle. Vehicle is something which transports people or goods from place to place. Goods are things we sell to get money or to buy and pay money for it. They are called goods. After that, durable. Durable is continuous for some time or for a long time without stopping, non-stopping. Durable, durable, durable. So something is able to last. Last means continue for a long time. This means durable. After durable, we have platform. Platform is a flat raised surface on which we can wait for a train in a train station. It's called platform. And as you see here, it's raised a little bit than the ground. After platform, we have mill. Mill is a building that contains means inside it. It has something inside it. So a building that contains a large machine that is used for crushing grain to make flour, and we use flour to make bread. After mill, mechanical. So mechanical means related to machines. So everything that works by a wheel or works by gear, it's called mechanical. So the car is a mechanical vehicle. This watch is a mechanical. Everything that works by gears or works by wheels, it's called mechanical. This means connected to machines or related to machines. After mechanical, we have inspiring. So inspiring means giving you ideas. A person who is inspiring or something which is inspiring means person who gives you some ideas to do something good. So here, as you see here in this picture, this hand is a person, helps this guy who is running to achieve his goal and do good things and be better in the future. So this means inspiring. Okay, so now we have finished our first lesson. So see you in the second reading text. So bye.